In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your login activity on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap right here at your avatar or profile picture to head over to your Instagram profile page. Then tap right here at menu. And then at the very top, tap at Account Center. After that, tap at Password and Security. And that's where we can easily find the option which is called Where You Are Logged In. We need to get into it. Then select our Instagram account, and here we can find information on which devices we are logged in to our account and also the date and the time of the last login. Here I got just 2 devices, and we can also get that information for another accounts associated with that Meta Account Center. Here, as you can see, I got several devices for my Facebook account as well. And then let's say if you want to sign out from a particular device, you can do it right from here remotely from any device. All you have to do is just tap at the device. And that's where we can tap at logout to log out from the particular device. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.